staying in a relationship that no longer builds you both. Yung magsistay ka sa isang relationship, pareho nang hindi na kayo nag-grow together. Sobrang nasasayangan kayo dun sa masisirang relasyon. Especially those long-term, ang kailangan mo i-consider is you have to go to basic, magbaback to zero ka, you don't know where to start, hard to move on, and it's hard to trust someone again. Ang hirap-hirap ipagkatiwala ng sarili mo sa ibang tao again. Sayang yung time na i-stay mo dun sa tao na sana hinanap mo na lang ng panibagong taong magpapasaya sa'yo. Pero of course, we cannot judge those persons naman na nagsistay kasi it's easier said than done. Diba, aminin natin, kung tayo nasa sitwasyon, mahirapan din tayo mag-let go. But we know that the better option is to let go. Yun nga lang, hindi lahat ng tao brave enough para gawin yun. Kasi mahirap. Diba? Starting all over again.
Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day.